where where is that good road? Where's west? Where was target spotted?
What? The fuck? Oh, shit. Who the hell are you?
Or first, and you will be stopped next week.
Okay, look, dude, I don't know why you're here, but if you're here to kill me, then, I have fun with that, dude. Honestly. Okay, well, that's a start. Oh, God. I forgot you had 2 arms. Okay. Just come. Alright. Come on, is that all you got? You're really pathetic. Come on. Now you can do better than that, dude. Come on, hit me. It's fun toying with people like you. You know, you're not as fast. Okay, now. It's gonna be really easy. Hey, Moon, is this one of your tests? If it is, this guy's really pathetic. I forgot this guy went on a run. So, Okay, dude, again with the flamethrowers, man. You really gotta shout at us. You're gonna burn down this... whatever it's called. I'm just gonna call this guy Sanctuary for now. Okay, I'm starting to get tired. Come on. Oh, shit. Fuck, I tripped.
Just gonna grab you. Just grab you.
Hey, get... Ah, God, I hate fighting metal. Miss me. God, I really need Moon here right now, but I guess I'm on my own now, right?
You will be stopped next week.
God, this training really isn't paying off like Moon said. God, you have some really strong grip. Let go, you piece of shit! I'm not done yet. Okay, I'm just warming up. Come on, not this again. Okay, Moon, I need a little bit. I need a bit of help here.
Don't worry, I'll be there in a second.
So, now, the final Olympics. I thought you would be still next to me. What for? What was the actual truth? How are you still? What is this about?
Come on. I know you have more in you than that. Oh, come on. You're so slow now. It's not even fun. You're just an appetizer for me now. Come on. Over the head. Now for the last blow. Ah, man. That really was a good one.
Okay, we're gonna cut this part out of the video real quick. Hold on.
Okay, so we're gonna have to make a second half to this where Moon walks in.
Yeah, Moon's like rushing in. Hold on.
Okay.
Let me just go over here. Alright.
Okay, well.
Make sure to cut this out. What the hell? What's going on? You called me.
I dealt with him.
Dealt with who?
Does a furnace sound familiar to you?
Furnace. No, not exactly.
He's a fucking hunter that I have to deal with every now and then. He's way stronger than me, and then when he nearly killed me, well, my wound's already healed. It healed itself somehow. But, yeah. I kind of felt this big power surge inside of my body, and then I beat him.
Huh. Might be a sign of you getting older?
Nope, not really. He couldn't even lay a finger on me.
It's weird.
Okay, let's put this power to the test. Come on, have at me.
Alright. What the? That was my fastest punch. What the? Good job. But still not good enough.
How do I deactivate this stuff?
Alright.
Or it's just stuck with me?
I guess it's stuck with you. Good.
Alright,
This is aside, I think one more year of training should do.
We could deal with that.
You're a long ways away from becoming what you're supposed to be.
Alright.
I
Too bad I can't turn super, though. The caster ones really would help me out there, but hey, raw power really does help you sometimes.
Sometimes the fun isn't needed.
Alright.
Alright, let's get started. Let me